ভাৰতৰ প্ৰাক্তন কেপ্টেইন সৌৰভ গাংগুলী নতুন BCCI প্ৰেসিডেন্ট হিচাপে মনোনীত কৰা হৈছে। ফৰ্মাৰ ইণ্ডিয়ান কেপ্টেইন সৌৰভ গাংগুলী is all set to become the new president of Board of Control for Cricket in India. 47-year-old সৌৰভ গাংগুলী currently Cricket Association of Bengalore president হয়। BCCI ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় ক্ৰিকেট গভৰ্নিং বডি। BCCI স্থাপনা কৰা হৈছিল 1928 চনত। It was established as a society and registered under Tamil Nadu Societies Registration Act. Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel participated in BRICS Culture Minister meeting held in Curitiba, Brazil. Brazilৰ Curitiba চহৰত BRICSৰ Culture meeting held কৰা হৈছে। অহা 14 অক্টোবৰ 2019ত মধ্যপ্ৰদেশৰ জবলপুৰত সংস্কৃতি মহোৎসৱ উদযাপন কৰা হ'ব। The flagship and premier festival of Ministry of Culture, the Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav is to be conducted in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh on 14th October 2019. The festival began in 2015. The objective of the festival is to showcase rich cultural heritage of India. It includes classical and contemporary handicrafts, painting, arts, folk, sculpture, etc. The main aim of the Mahotsav is to promote engagement of different states and union territories to enhance mutual understanding and bonding between people of diverse culture. Hagibis নামৰ ধুমুহাটোৱে জাপানত ক্ষতিগ্ৰস্ত কৰিছে। Torrential rain and tornado-like winds lashed large parts of Japan as the country was hit by the typhoon Hagibis. The typhoon is being touted as the strongest storm the country faced in the past 60 years since Kanagawa typhoon. Kanagawa ধুমুহাৰ পাছত Hagibis ধুমুহাটো আটাইতকৈ ক্ষতিকৰ বুলি জনা গৈছে। ভাৰতৰ প্ৰধানমন্ত্ৰী নৰেন্দ্ৰ মোদী ডাঙৰীয়াই কৰ্টাৰপুৰ কৰিডৰটো মুকলি কৰিব 8 নৱেম্বৰ 2019 চনত। On November 8, 2019, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the Kartarpur corridor to Sri Kartarpur Sahib in Pakistan. The opening is being done on the 550th birthday of Guru Nanak. Significance of the Kartarpur shrine. The Gurudwara was built to commemorate the place where the Sikh founder Guru Nanak settled after completing his missionary work. তেওঁ এই ঠাইতে নিজৰ জীৱনৰ শেষ কালখিনি পাৰ কৰিছিল। He lived at the site for around 18 years till his death in 1539. The shrine is built where Guru Nanak is said to have died.